create a class instance or object. As you can see here, this is our previous class that we declared. So now, to create a class instance or a class object, simply type the name of the instance or the object that you want to create it, such as j equal person parenthesis. Okay, the j object has the functions and variables that are declared in the class person. So if we need to call the function insert in the object j, we simply can type j dot insert parenthesis quotation marks John comma quotation marks 33 comma quotation marks any ID numbers. Good. Then I will call the output function to print things that I have put in the function insert. After that, try that on terminal. Alright, as you can see here we got an error. Do you know why we got that error? It's actually because the indentation. You need to take out the indentation after you declare the class to go back to the main program. Pretty cool. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching.